वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. दिस इज आस्था. सो टाइटल देख के आप लोग समझ गए होंगे. येस, आई एम गोइंग टू क्रिएट दिस ब्यूटीफुल ईद मेकअप लुक इन टुडेज वीडियो. बहुत ही सिंपल मेकअप है, बिगनर्स भी कर सकते हैं. जिनको मेकअप आती है वो तो ऑब्वियसली कर ही सकते हैं इस मेकअप को. और ऐसा मेकअप है जिसको आप सारे ड्रेस में कर सकते हो. मैंने ग्रीन ड्रेस पहना है, आप ब्लू ड्रेस पहन रहे हो तो भी आप ये मेकअप कर सकते हो. अगर आप पिंक ड्रेस पहन रहे हो तो भी आप ये मेकअप कर सकते हो. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So guys, let's start with the moisturizer. I'm using this Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. This has SPF 24. Moisturize your face really well for a flawless base. Also apply a sunscreen if you are doing this makeup in the morning. Then I'm using this Swiss Beauty Real Base Highlighting Primer. This primer will give a dewy effect to your makeup. Although you can use any primer that you want, but this particular primer underneath your makeup is going to make your makeup look really glowy and beautiful. Then I'm using this Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. This is in the shade 320 Warm Caramel. This is a really good foundation for all skin types. It blends really well and looks flawless on your face. Then I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium. This is a highlighting shade for me. I'll apply it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose and my forehead. Guys, Maybelline is an ultimate favorite. It has best concealer and foundation. It has pretty nice coverage and works with almost all skin types. And then I'll blend my concealer with the same beauty blender with which I blended my foundation. Now for setting my makeup, I am using this Inside Translucent Face Powder. I'll take it on the same beauty blender and I'll apply it under my eyes, around my mouth and my nose. I'll let it rest for some time and then I'll brush it off later. This step is very important to make your makeup long lasting. Do this either with a compact or a nice loose powder. Then I'm taking this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. I'll mention the palette number down below in the description box. I'm taking this peachy shade. This shade is not very matte as well as not glittery. It has a very subtle shine in it. So you can take any light shade as a transition shade. You can also take light brown, light pink, any shade that you want. But take a light shade for this makeup. Then I'm taking this golden glittery shade and a silver shade from the middle. This will make a nice rose gold kind of shade and I'll apply it all over my crease. Then I'm taking a flat fluffy brush and the same peachy shade again. Moving this brush around my crease, I'll try to define my crease, and this step is important to create a difference and a shadow between the two shades. Then I'm using this Lakme Insta eyeliner. I'll try to draw a wing with it. You can see how I'm applying the eyeliner. Go very slow at this stage because eyeliner is a very important part of this eye look. So go very slow and do it perfectly. Also, you can see first I've drawn the wing, then I'll go in the middle and I'll draw a very thin stroke, and then at last I'll go to the inner corner and I'll fill the inner corner with a very thin stroke. Then I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Apply loads and loads of mascara. It's literally a game changer. Also, you can apply falsies if you want. Now I'm just brushing off the excess amount of powder that was there on my face. So yeah, I'm done with the makeup on one eye. Let me do it on the other eye as well and come back quickly. So guys, let's start with the face makeup again. I'm taking this brown shade from the same palette on a contour brush and I'll do a very light contour with it. I'll just bronze up my face a little bit. For blush, I am using the Swiss Beauty Pro Blush and Highlighting Palette. So I am taking this pink shade. This is slightly a dark pink shade and I wasn't really sure about the shade. So I just applied little bit and checked, but yeah, the shade was looking good. So guys, the idea is that when you do a heavy eye makeup, you need to keep your blush, bronzer and lipstick on a lighter side. Whereas when you do a light eye makeup, you need to go a little bit heavy on these things. So this way your makeup will overall complement each other and your face won't end up looking heavy and cakey. And then I've taken the same brown shade on a flat brush and I'm contouring my nose with it. For highlighter, I am using the Swiss Beauty Brick highlighter. I am taking a fluffy brush and I am mixing almost all the shades except the lightest one at the top because I feel that's kind of too light for me. So yeah, I've mixed all of the shades and I'm applying it on my high point. Okay, so I applied it on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose. Now I'm taking it on a pencil brush and I'm highlighting my brow bones with it. Then I'm taking the same golden and silver shade on the same pencil brush and I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes with it. For lipstick, I am using this Lakme Primer Plus Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade MR11 Berry Base. So this shade is somewhere between dark red and dark pink and it looks absolutely gorgeous. It is one of my favorite shades. So yeah, I'm done. Let me quickly change and come back. So guys, this is the final look. आपने वीडियो की शुरुआत में देखा ही होगा. So this is the entire look with jewelry and hair and the dress. सो बहुत ही सिंपल मेकअप था, आप लोग कोई भी कर सकते हो, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा एंड दिस मेकअप विल लास्ट लॉन्ग. अगर आप सुबह करोगे तो रात तक आप इस मेकअप को कैरी ऑन कर सकते हो. एंड गाइज प्लीज़ स्टे एट होम, गेट रेडी एज मच एज पॉसिबल, लुक एज ब्यूटिफुल एज यू कैन, बट प्लीज़ स्टे एट होम, ईट गुड फूड, मज़े करो, फोटोज़ क्लिक करो, स्टोरीज डालो, बट स्टे एट होम एंड स्टे सेफ. And pray for the people who are not well, very very important. Pray for the people who are not well and सबको pray करो that this chaos ends as soon as possible. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked the video and the look. If you did so, don't forget to hit the like button, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.